Okay, your menu. Actually, menus, I should say. The menu up here and your menu in your footer. WordPress has a great and brilliant way of structuring, adding, maintaining the menu. So first thing I want to do is in the back end, in the admin, go to Appearance. Under Appearance, we see Menus. Alright, so first thing I want to point out is with menus, we can actually create an infinite number of menus. If you want to have 1,000 menus, you could do that. And to do that, you basically would hit this plus sign and then create a menu. Not that you really need to do that with your site. I just want to point that out as far as what this system actually does. All right, technically your site has 3 menus, okay? And the reason I'm saying that is you're thinking, well, no, I have a top menu and a footer. True. But because of positioning, you have one to the left and one to the right of the logo. They're considered separate menus. So first, when we look at this section right here, look at this tab. It says footer menu. Obviously and clearly that is your footer. But if you look at top left tab and top right tab, that's clearly your main menu, top left and top right. Alright? So this system works with drag and drop. Right now we have home, gallery, services, with your sub-menus, and shop. This is all in your left tab. All right here. So we can actually reorder this stuff if we want. We can change positioning. So maybe you want services to be second. Then I'll just drag it. Let go. Maybe I want shop to be up here. Drag it and let go. So once I've made my change, I'll click Save Menu. Don't worry, I'm going to put it back. I'll click Save Menu. Come back to the front end, refresh. Server's a little slow. So look, it's actually changed order. It's as easy as that, really simple. So let me go ahead and put this back. I believe services was second. Actually, gallery was second. Then services, then shop. Update. Alright. Next, with menus, if you click the little arrow on each individual one, it gives you a little bit more information. So the page is called Gallery, so the actual page within WordPress is called Gallery. Maybe you don't want it to be called Gallery. Maybe you want the name to be something different. This is just an example. Elena. We can do that. Save menu. Now you're giving your menu a new name. So right now it's services, but I refresh our gallery, excuse me. Okay, so you can actually, and if I click on this, notice how the name up here is different, but the actual page name is gallery. Alright, so it gives you flexibility as far as naming and renaming if you have to do that. I mean, probably not going to do that, but just so you're aware how that works. Let me go ahead and change this back. Save. Now to add to over here, basically these sections down here are all individual pages and whatnot. So if you needed to add a new one, you would simply come over to, let's say, for instance, FAQ is a brand new page. Just for an example, you would click Add the Menu. Look, here it is, here it is. FAQ is now added, and you just drag it into place, hit Save, and then it's now in your menu. If you need to add it to the drop-down menu, like right now we have, let me refresh this. Right now we have services, and on the services we have a drop-down. Maybe you want to add it to the drop-down. So to do that, what you would do is see how this is indented. That means it's the child of this parent. Services is the parent. These pages are the children. So you would just drag and drop so it's indented. Save the menu. If I come to the front end and refresh, we should have that. And there we are. Look, FAQs is now in that menu. Alright, let me go ahead and remove this. Alright, that should do it for the menu section.